Aesthetically, from the outside, they look amazing. I think, as I say, going from single pane to the windows that we've got now, the drafts have completely gone, and I say just the functionality of them have been lovely as well. So they're beautiful windows. Our windows were pretty old and very drafty. So in a Scottish winter, it was pretty chilly and costing a fair bit to keep the place warm. So it was always on our plans to replace our windows at some point, and and then thankfully got in touch with C.R. Smith. So we went sliding sash windows to keep in with the area that we're in. All the old buildings have these styles of windows, so we wanted to make sure that we kept in those parameters, and C.R. Smith delivered with exactly what we were after. We did inquire a few different companies, because always have to try and find what's the best fit for you. But I think the thing that really separated C.R. Smith was the sort of the professionalism, the detail, the care that they really put into the sales at the start of it, showcasing exactly what they were going to do, the process, the quality of the windows, and what sort of separates them from other window companies, and they delivered on everything. So there was no issues, no snagging, no complications with anything. I think just in terms of getting building work done, or any type of building work done, it was probably the most straightforward I've ever dealt with. So literally it's been a really great process from start to finish.